Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. I welcome you all to this video class which is for class 3rd science. I hope you all must be having your books with you. On the screen, you can see the cover page of your science book. The name of your science book is ST.JOSEPH'S Science Forever. This video is for class 3rd. Subject is Science. Chapter number 6. And the topic will be food we get from plants. This video is prepared by your science teacher Deepa Singh from St. Joseph Academy, Ghaziabad. You all must be knowing about the trees and plants. And you all must have seen the plants everywhere. As we all know that plants are found almost everywhere on the earth. They are of different shapes and sizes. When you go on the road here and there, you find the trees and plants which are of the different shapes and size. Some may be small, some may be big, some may be having the big leaves and some may be having the short leaves. Plants can be broadly classified as trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers, which depends on the size and shape. Now on the screen you can see the beginning of your chapter. In the beginning of your chapter, which is chapter number 6, food we get from plants. There is an exercise of let's warm up, in which you have to read the clues and identify the kinds of the plant it is. First one is, I have a thick brown stem called the trunk. This is the clue which is given to you for the first picture. And the answer is trees. Now we come to the second one. Second clue given to us is, I have a green tender stem and I am not tall. The answer to it is herb. Now we come to the third one. I am a bushy plant with a woody stem. And the answer to it is shrub. Now let's read the fourth clue. I have a weak stem and need some support to climb up. Answer is climbers. Now we come to the fifth clue. I have a weak stem and creep along the ground. Answer is creepers. Now let's see the sixth one. I grow in water. Those plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. So these are the different kinds of plants. Some are trees, some are shrubs, some are creepers, other may be herbs or climbers or aquatic plant. Depending on their size and shape, they are broadly classified. Now we come to our next point, that is parts of the plants used as food. You all must be knowing that plants are very useful to us. They give us shade and fresh air to breathe. Plants also give us vegetables and fruits to eat, clothes to wear, medicines, oil, etc. All these things we get from plants. Even animals, they also depend on plants for their food. So plants are the main source of food. And we eat the different parts of the plant, such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, seeds, buds, oil seeds, spices, dry fruits, sugar, beverages. So all these are the parts of the plant which we eat. Now let's go through them one by one. First is cereals. On the screen you can see the picture of the wheat and rice. All must be knowing about the wheat and rice. Wheat and rice, these are the seeds of the plants. So cereals are seeds of the plants like rice, wheat and maize. They give us energy. So why do we eat the cereals? Because they give us energy. So what are cereals? Cereals are the seeds of the plant and they give us energy. Example is rice, wheat and maize. Now we come to the next, which is pulses. On the screen you can see the picture of the peas and kidney beans. These are the kinds of the pulses which we eat. Pulses are seeds of the plants like grains, chicken pea, kidney beans. So what are pulses? Pulses are the seeds of the plants like grains, chicken pea and kidney beans. Why are pulses important to eat? Pulses are important to eat because they are important to build new cells and repair damaged cells. In our body, as you know, it is made up of different cells. When they break up or when they get damaged, then the pulses help them to repair. Next is fruits. You all must be loving to eat fruits. Some may be fond of mango or some may be fond of apple. What are fruits? Fruits are the juicy parts of the plants. Why juicy? Because we get juice from them. So fruits are the juicy parts of the plants. And examples, as you know, mango, apple, banana, etc. And fruits are also the seed-bearing structure in flowering plants. Now we come to the vegetables. I hope you all must be eating the vegetables. We eat different parts of the plants as vegetables. Some may be in the form of the root, some may be stem, some may be leaves, or other may be flowers. For example, root. In the form of the root we eat like carrot, turnip. Some part of the vegetables we eat as the stem. Example, potato, sugarcane. There are some vegetables which we eat in the form of the leaves like cabbage, spinach. Then we have flowers. We eat some parts of the plants in the form of flowers also. Example, cauliflower, broccoli. So these are the different parts of the plant which we eat in the form of the vegetables. The vegetables may be in the form of root, stem, leaves, flowers. But we all must eat vegetables. Now we come to the seed. What is a seed? A seed is a small plant enclosed in a covering called seed coat, usually with some stored food. Seed may be in the form of paper, which is black paper also. It is in the form of the seed. Another example may be cumin. We all use cumin in our daily life. Cumin is also known as jeera, which we use in making our vegetables. So they are used in the form of the seed. Some plants are used as the bud also. A bud is a small compact growth on a plant that develops into a leaf, flower or shoot, like clove. Now we come to the oil seeds. You can identify the picture of the flowers on the screen. First picture is of the sunflower, second picture is of the mustard. The seeds of the flowers like sunflower and mustard are used to extract oil. There are some flowers like sunflower and mustard which are used to extract oil, and that oil is used by us as the edible oil. Now we come to the next, which is spices. The first picture is of cloves, second is of turmeric, third is of cinnamon. All these are the spices which we used in our day-to-day life, in our vegetables or in other forms. What are spices? Spices are the plant parts that add color and flavor to the food. When we are making our food, we use these spices in our food, and with the help of these spices, we get the color and flavor to our food. Next is dry fruits. All of you must be loving to eat the dry fruits, and you can easily identify the picture, which is of almonds. Second is of cashew nut. Third one is of the walnuts. All of these are the dry fruits which we all love to eat. These are also the parts of the plants which we eat as the dry fruits. Almond, cashew nut and walnuts are the dry fruits we eat. Now is sugar. Many of you must be loving to eat the sugar cane. We get sugar from sugarcane plant and sugar beetroot. It is also a part of the plant which we eat. Next are the beverages. First picture is of the coffee, then of the cocoa and of the tea. All these are the beverages which we get from the plants. Now what are beverages? Beverages are the drinks other than water. Example, coffee, tea and cocoa. All these are the drinks or in the liquid form we use which is other than water and we get from the plants. Now we come to the medicinal plants. Plants are also useful to us in the medicinal way. You can see on the screen the picture of the ginger which we use in our day-to-day life. Second one is of the clove and third one is of the tulsi leaves which many of us may be having in our houses. Plants like ginger, neem, tulsi, clove, eucalyptus, etc. have the medicinal value. All these are the plants which we use in the form of the medicines. Now we come to an activity. And the question for the activity is, what medicinal value do the following things have? Some of the things is given to you and you have to tell them what the medicinal value it is having. First is ginger. What is the medicinal value of the ginger? Or when do we use the ginger? Ginger is used in cough and cold. If we are suffering from the cough and cold, then we use ginger. Second is neem. Neem is used for teeth and skin. Third is eucalyptus. It is used in cough and headache. Then is tulsi. What is the medicinal value of tulsi? Tulsi is used in fever and cold. Then clove. When is the clove used or what medicinal value do it have? It is used in toothache and helps in digestion. So all these are having the medicinal value and they are used by us in our day-to-day life. I hope you all must have enjoyed the chapter and you all must have come to know about the different parts of the plants we eat. As you know that plants are the main source of food and it takes a lot of time to cultivate crops for the food. So we should not waste the food. We should always value the food. Have a nice day and thank you.